What is a network? A network is simply a group of devices connected together so they can communicate and share resources. These devices can be computers, phones, servers, or any system capable of sending and receiving data. At the smallest level, a network can exist inside your home, where your laptop, smartphone, and smart TV are connected to a router. At a much larger scale, the Internet itself is a massive global network, connecting millions of smaller networks together. The purpose of a network is communication. Instead of storing everything locally, devices can request data from other devices, access services, and exchange information instantly. Without networks, there would be no internet, no cloud service, and no modern digital communication.